Hi friends, Paula here. I am excited to talk about a new product we have recently launched. Before we get into it, I'd like to talk about my hair a little bit. My hair is short currently, and I've had short hair throughout different seasons of my life. And this most recent haircut was both personal and professional. I wanted to have short hair for the launch of this product because I have been strategizing ways to make it possible for years, and finally it is here. I created the Headwrap base, a hair solution that allows you to create tall, voluminous headwrap styles with little to no hair in seconds. It features two main parts, a cap and an interchangeable volumizer that's snapped together. The velvet cap has a band on the inside to ensure that your head wrap stays on all day, even if you're dancing the night away. The non-slip velvet has a four-way stretch accommodating various head and hair shapes and sizes. It can be worn facing different directions, so you could create anything from a tall Nefertiti style to a back bun. The interchangeable volumizers come in 3 different sizes and are lightweight and breathable, so you could wear them all year round. We even tested them in the Texas heat. You can create head wrap styles like this, or even this.